Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the fourth generation programming language and the fifth generation programming language. Okay. So when we talk about the fourth generation programming language, it is also called as the very high level programming language, or in short, you can also call it 4GL. So this language is very close to human language that that a human can understand. Uh, when we talk about the fourth generation programming language, it is a non-procedural language. Previously, what it used to happen is that in the low level language or in the third generation language, the programmer has to specify the steps as to how the output is going to be obtained. But in this form of language, in fourth generation language, instead of telling what are the steps to obtain the output, the programmer only tells the computer how the task is going to be performed. That is why the fourth generation language is very different from the first generation, second generation, and third generation language. So when we talk about the fourth generation language, it normally contains a software or a tool that interacts with the database management system to store or to manipulate and to retrieve the needed data and satisfy the user requirement. Some of the example of the fourth generation language is your Oracle, SOL, CSS, Cold Fusion, etc. So when we talk about the advantages of the fourth generation programming language, the first advantage is that the programming productivity, it has been now increased. Okay. Secondly, we can say that the system development is faster as compared to the previous generation, and the maintenance now has become easier. End user can often develop their own application. Another advantage of the fourth generation language is that the language developed in the 4GL is machine independent, and you need minimal user skills to obtain any result in this programming language. Let us now discuss the disadvantages of the fourth generation language. So the first disadvantage of the fourth generation language is that the program developed in fourth generation language are executed at a slower speed by the CPU. Okay, and the program that are developed in fourth generation language need more space in the computer system. Okay, so when we talk about the fifth generation language, it can also be called as the artificial intelligence language because this language generally focus on the programming field, which is more relevant to the neural network or artificial neural networks. Okay, it is like humans and any other living being computer are interacting together, and in order to make understand computers our language, the computer programming language like this is developed. So the focus of the fifth generation programming language is on the constraint programming. Okay, means the artificial neural network and artificial intelligence are working together in this field. Some of the example, if we talk about, can be your Mercury, Prolog, and OPS 5. So if we talk about Prolog, so Prolog is a short form of programming with logic. It is the high level programming language, and sometimes can also be known as rule based language. It is very much similar to your Mercury. If you talk about OPS 5, it is the short form of Official Production System, and it was developed in 1970. And OPS 5 was the first programming language to use in an export system that was called as the R1/XCON. If we talk about the advantages of fifth generation language, the first advantage is that decision making machines can be developed, means that we can develop a machine which can take decision by their own. Secondly, the second advantage is that system automation, which can reduce the effort of a programmer, means the system can automatically adjust to the environment or the situation. Hence, the effort required by a programmer can be reduced significantly. So if we talk about the disadvantage of the fifth generation programming language, the first disadvantage is that we need ample amount of resource in order to create this programming language. And the second disadvantage of fifth generation programming language is that program continues to get more complicated and slowly lose relation with the original algorithm. One of the practical example that you can see around, if you have watched the movie Iron Man, so there is a concept of Jarvis, which is the acronym for just a rather very intelligent system. So it is also a neural network which functions on AI. So it is developed on fifth generation language actually. And another good example of artificial intelligence is your Friday, which you have seen in the same movie Iron Man. So it is also developed on the basic principles of fifth generation language. So these are the few of the example that you can see in the movies, but one of the example that you can still see in real life is your Sophia the robot, which was recently in the news. Uh, so it is the first humanoid or robot which is developed. So it is one of the examples how the AI is working today. So that is it for this part of the video. We'll be discussing the interpreter, the compiler, and the assembler in the next part of the video.